Have you ever thought that soldering is just a more basic version of welding and it seems kind of difficult? Well, we're gonna show you how it's not that difficult and it's actually not that much like welding. As always, we're gonna set 1 minute on the clock and talk about this. So soldering. Seems like a complicated thing, but it's really actually not too bad. So a soldering iron looks like this. This one's a little rough around the edges. I need a new tip and stuff like that, but you can pick up one of these on Amazon for about 15 bucks. They're not terribly expensive, and it's actually not a hard thing to get into. You can get yourself a little practice spool of wire and just learn and start practicing on how to do it. Essentially, all you're doing is heating up basically a lead compound that will dissolve over top of 2 wires. So in that sense, it's kind of like welding. The closest you could really relate it to is TIG welding, but it's not exactly the same. Soldering can be kind of intimidating because you're basically having to cut into something to then add something into it, and that can make you feel like you're, you might be chasing electrical gremlins and stuff like that. But if you do it the correct way, and especially if you use heat shrink and electrical tape as you need, it actually will last for a very long time. For instance, my FRS here has some different stuff built in with its taillights that we had to solder in, not had an issue, and it's been over 2 years now. So, thanks for watching this week's episode of 1 Minute Tips. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe so you can get more videos like this, and let us know how we're doing in the comment section below. You can also find us on our socials, which you'll see on screen here in just a second. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.